Hello everyone, welcome back to Magnet Brains. This is Swati, your communication coach. And Spoken English basic level के जो course में you are once again welcome. We are going to continue with some commonly mispronounced words and let's check out the words for the day. So the first word that we have here is, how do you pronounce this word? Okay, regime. So the correct pronunciation is regime. Okay, it's regime, not regime, not regime, it's regime. Okay, the second regime is basically कोई भी order में जो आप काम करते हो उस order को आप बताते हो कि you know it's this is into my regime. मतलब जैसे आपको बोला आपको योगा करना चाहिए, आपने बोला it is already into my regime. मतलब ये तो मैं already मेरे टाइम टेबल में मेरे प्रॉपर जो मेरे जो काम होते हैं मेरे उसमें already added हैं. Now the next word here is this. It's rendezvous what? इसका मतलब होता है जैसे किसी से एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे अगर आप मीटिंग प्लान करते हो तो उसे हम कहते हैं rendezvous. It's not rendezvous or anything. It is rendezvous. Again, rendezvous. Good job. Then we have this. It is what? रिजर्वॉयर का मतलब होता है कोई भी जैसे कि ऑयल रिजर्वॉयर्स होते हैं कोई भी स्टोरेज की जो जगह होती है दैट इज रिजर्वॉयर. देन वी हैव दिस इज एक्चुअली अ वेरी कॉमन फिश बट इट इज नॉट नोन एज सैल्मन. द प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज सामन. सामान होता है ना, सामान की जगह सामन. तो दिस इज द नेम ऑफ अ फिश. Then we have, like when I want to get a haircut or want to get a hair spa, then what do I actually do? I go to a salon. It's not saloon, it's salon. And then we have the other word which is not silicone, it is silicon. It is silicon. It is not sour, खट्टा को sour नहीं कहते हैं, it's sour. सावर, र आएगा ही नहीं, सावर बस. And the last word is not hierarchy. This is hierarchy. It's hierarchy. It's not hierarchy or hierarchy. It is hierarchy. So I hope you have understood this well. So I'm going to continue with more mispronounced words in our next session. So keep watching. And if you have any feedback or any doubt, you can always write to us. We are available on all these platforms. So, बस ख्याल रखिए अपना, खुश रहिए. Take care. Bye bye.